wearing the same red shirt I've worn on like 3 freaking videos, but that's fine. You're gonna be good today. You're not gonna fuck with me. You hear that? You're not gonna fuck with me. You're not gonna embarrass us. Ooh, that's actually really fresh water. Down. Look. It's back to be in the valley. It feels nice. Oh, and I'm listening to Jungkook, so if you hear it, you know. Yeah. Look at that view. We're almost there. It's fucking hot. Or at least I feel the sun now, but yeah. Excuse me. I was gonna say, Brian, if you're watching this, I saw you. You passed me and Chloe. But yeah. Whew. I'm starting to think, why did I park the car so far away? But I know why. To be away from the people. But I'm really hoping my phone logged my workout, because as you see, it's on my shoulder. So yeah. Here at the HB, kind of foggy. Shut up! They don't have it. Shut up! They don't have it. They don't have them. You know which ones I buy, right? The 12 count, 10 count, maybe even more than that. They don't sell the yellow corn, they just sell, oh no, these are it. These. Okay, I buy those. Do you ever hear that ad when you're here on the regular day?
This one, no.
Yeah, okay. Target Market, Mom. Waking up at 6 a.m.
Yeah.
Target Market. Desired. Our pasta sauce is going to be this roasted garlic. Ooh. We're here at the Ross. The bag.
Ah, that's pretty cute.
That's cute.
Look at that.
Oh, they're dogs.
Right here?
Yeah. I need to look for some pants. These are cute, but not my size. I want some like leggings. Oh, here's where the size starts. We'll probably have to go to like the sporting aisle. It looks like. Oh, but these are nice work pants. Damn! If only I was working. Like, for real. If only I was working. Look how cute these pants are. Fuck. And how much is it? $16.99. Oh. Never mind. I did find where the actual active bottoms are. Let's see here. I don't see any like long pants. No. Oh, maybe these. After I was talking shit. Maybe these. I don't even know if these fit me, to be honest. $16.99. Oh, but these feel kind of warm on the inside, though. They feel kind of like, yeah, these are like warm. They feel kind of like a blanket. I'll take them to try them on, though. These look cute, too. They have pockets right here. I think that would be very cute. $14.99. I could try these on too. These look kind of bigger though. And they have pockets right here. What brand is this? I don't know. What is it? $12.99. It doesn't hurt to try these on either. Fuck it. Where's my mother? I need help. I don't know if these look good on me though. I don't think they would. I'll stick with the black. Dude, no, seriously. Where is my mom?